Hello guys, thanks so much for joining me today. I would like to explain to you what we're going to be doing today. This part of the channel is going to be about the kind of art that floods, I can flood in Dutch pours. So I'm going to go over today about measuring what is the percentage of paint, what is the percentage of Floetrol that I use for my mixing. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, share. I'm gonna be measuring the parts. I have Floetrol. So the Floetrol gets a little sticky parts to it, the American Floetrol. So you wanna make sure that you shake it first, and then you go through a strainer. I didn't see any parts today. I guess I was lucky. But the recipe for these is 2 parts Floetrol, and I'm gonna use these little bottles that I got on Amazon. So I'm gonna clear. Okay, I got a little scale. I'm gonna clear my scale, and then I'm gonna be putting in Floetrol. So I got 2 parts of Floetrol. I don't need too much gold, so I'm gonna do the gold first. This is 24 karat gold by Deco Art. So I got, and it has to be about, it doesn't have to be exact. So I'm gonna be doing 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. Then I'm gonna shake it. You have to shake it really well. You have to do a little bit at a time. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, share. I really appreciate all your help. And we're gonna be doing a video every week for the Dutch pour section of my channel. So I did 2 parts Floetrol, a little bit more gold, to 1 part paint, a little bit more. It's like 1 ounce. Okay, so I did 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. Now I'm gonna close it like this and shake it. Make sure you hold your lid when you're shaking it. Let me get the water. Ideally, is to use distilled water. Oh, I love this gold. Look, the gold is so beautiful. So now you're gonna have to wait a little bit, and then you're gonna be putting a little bit of water. So it will be almost 1 part of water. You remove your cap again. So there's gonna be a little bubble. You blow it. And now let's see about putting a little bit of water. It's always easier to add than it is to take it out, so just do a little bit at a time. So here's what I did. 2 parts Floetrol, American Floetrol, 1 part paint, and 1 part water. And this is what I got. So my gold is ready for my paint. I'm gonna be using gold, and I'll go over the colors when I do the paint. I'm gonna prepare these other colors, this one and this one, and I'll come back for my painting. It will be on my next video. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, so that you can participate on all the video and you get a chance to win a prize. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.